Hi, I am Garden Idea YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to grow ginger from tube to harvest. At the bottom of the pot, I use the dry grass as the fertilizer. Top up the garden soil. Garden soil can use many times in the garden. Everywhere, it's safe and it's good soil for growing. Now I start to mix the soil with the soil mixture. Soil mixture have mixed with garden soil 70%, dry charcoal 30%, dry cow dung 30%, mixing together well. Then I can use in my garden for growing ginger plant. Ginger is easy plant for growth in the garden. No disease, no insects eating leaf. Here is my ginger tube. Some tubes are sprout. This ginger have sprout 10 centimeter long. In the pot, I grow 3 ginger plants. When I harvest, I can get a hard yield of ginger. After growing the ginger into the pot soil, I use the dry grass to cover on the soil. Dry grass can reduce the sun heat and keep the soil moisture. Watering well. Watering is very important for the plant in the garden. Please enjoy watching my gardening video together.